Hey, and welcome back to my channel. Last week I bought my second IKEA lamp to pair together with my Trust smart home setup. I already own the IKEA lamp, the one that has the cold and warm white light. I really like that lamp, so I went out and bought the RGB version. The price difference between the Philips Hue, Trust smart home and IKEA products made my decision easy. But is cheaper better? Let's find out. Let's unbox the lamp. There isn't really that much in the packaging. Yeah, if you can open it. There is a battery, remote and lamp. The remote is nice, has a wall mount and is magnetic, but I won't be using it. I had some pairing issues with this lamp, but you will see that in a second. I tried this lamp because the non-RGB version of this lamp really worked well and I'm really fond of that one. I don't own an IKEA hub, so I'm trying the lamps with the factory firmware. Your mileage may vary if it comes with a different firmware or you own an IKEA smart hub and already updated the firmware of the lamp. Here you can see the lamp that I'm already using for several months. I'm all positive about this specific lamp. It responds quick and shows the light temperature that I choose. As you can see, it's fairly easy to control the light. You can slide from left to right to control the brightness and click on the yellow dot next to the word on to choose the color temperature. We mostly have it on a slightly yellow color. Next up is the pairing process, and if you don't exactly know what to do, it will take some time to figure it out, in my case. With the previous lamp I had no problem. I put it in the lamp socket, resetted it, and after that it just worked. Well, this time it took me some effort. After trying to reset it several times and connect it to the app, I got frustrated and searched the internet. Not many people coupled it to the Trust app, so I, for the first time in my life, consulted the manual. Oh boy, that was fun. I found in the manual that you need to hold the remote very close to the lamp to pair it. Well, okay, then I think I need to hold the lamp very close to the Octopus, the Trust smart home hub. Only on my third time resetting it paired with the app. It didn't really went that smooth sadly. Hey, but it's paired now, so it's time to use the RGB lamp. I shortly will talk you through the process of coupling an IKEA lamp. The lamp works via the Zigbee protocol. First thing to do after starting the app is to choose a room. After choosing a room, press the plus icon in the top right corner. For connecting the IKEA lamp, we can now choose the option that is called Other Brands. Now we can choose for the next option, that is Zigbee Light RGB Color. Now we put the IKEA lamp in reset mode. To put it in reset mode, power it on off for 6 times and then tap connect in the app. Choose a proper name for it and you're all done. You now can see the lamp in the app. I ran into some problems. Not all colors seem to work, especially for the blue and the green color, and I can't get the lamp to switch between the different color temperatures when choosing white. When it's dark, the lamp really looks good, but I can't recommend this RGB lamp combining it with Trust. I hope in a future video I can test both lamps from Trust and from IKEA to make a comparison video. Thanks for watching this video, I hope you liked it. Please leave a thumbs up and a comment. Enjoy the B-roll and see you next time.